boys and girls, it's Mrs. Rutherford from the Rainbow Fish class, and I'm here to read a story for you today. My story is called Car, Car, Truck, Jeep, and this story has a familiar tune. It kind of goes like the song Baa Baa Black Sheep. I hope you enjoy it. Car, car, truck, Jeep, have you any fuel? Yes, sir, 3 tanks full. One for the red bus, one for the train, one for the pilot in her jumbo jet plane. Honk, honk, beep, beep, driving down the road, pass by the tractor with its heavy load. There goes a motorcycle weaving to and fro. Stop at the red light, then zoom, off we go. Chugga, chugga, choo, choo, race along the track. Pull along the train cars, clack, clickety, clack. Arriving at the harbor by the seaside. Hop on the hovercraft, such a bumpy ride. Flicka, flacka, flicka, flacky, flacka, what's that in the sky? Look, it's a helicopter buzzing on by. Spot the yellow taxi bouncing up and down. Climb slowly up a steep hill on the way to town. Rumble, rumble, scrape, dig, there's a dump truck. Digger lifts the bucket filled with dirt and muck. Flashing lights and sirens, a police car rushes past. When there's an accident, they must get there fast. Vroom, vroom, screech, roar on the highway. It's time for bed, now we've had a busy day. Yawn, sighs the red bus, snores the train. Sweet dreams, says the pilot in her jumbo jet plane. The end. See you next time.